Most people think getting UAE residency through business setup is complicated, expensive, or only for rich entrepreneurs. Here's the truth no one tells you. Thousands of foreigners are getting UAE residency legally every year by starting relatively small businesses, even online businesses. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get UAE residency by starting a business in 2026, the cheapest setup options, the documents you need, and the mistakes that cause delays or rejections. Let's start with the basic idea. In the UAE, many residency visas are connected to company ownership. That means when you open a registered business, you can usually sponsor yourself for residency. The easiest route for most foreigners is setting up a company in a UAE free zone. Free zones are special business areas designed to attract international entrepreneurs. If Alex wants to run an e-commerce store, consulting agency, or software business remotely, a free zone setup is often the fastest option. But here's the problem. This is where most people fail. They choose the cheapest company package without checking what's actually included. Some packages exclude visa eligibility, banking support, or important business activities. Now here's where it gets interesting. The process is usually much simpler than people expect. Step 1 is choosing your business activity. This means selecting what your company officially does, like marketing, its services, trading, or consulting. Step 2 is selecting the right free zone. Some free zones are cheaper, while others are better for banking, e-commerce, or payment gateway approvals. Jake runs a digital marketing agency and chose a free zone known for service businesses. That made his banking process smoother later. Step 3 is submitting documents. Most applicants need a passport copy, photo, application forms, and sometimes proof of address. Once approved, you receive your company license. Then, the residency process begins. This normally includes entry permit processing, medical testing, Emirates ID registration, and visa stamping. But here's the catch most YouTube videos skip. Getting residency is only half the battle. In a minute, I'll show you the one thing that matters even more after approval. That thing is banking. Many foreigners successfully get UAE residency but struggle opening a business bank account because they lack clear business activity or supporting documents. John solved this by creating a professional website, invoices, and a clear explanation of his online income before applying to banks. Now let's talk about costs, because everyone asks this. Prices vary heavily depending on the free zone, office package, and visa type. Some setups are relatively affordable for solo entrepreneurs, while larger business structures cost much more. This is why you should avoid agents promising lifetime cheap UAE residency. The real value comes from choosing a setup that supports your long-term business goals. So here's the simple roadmap guide to you. Choose the right free zone. Register your business activity. Get your company license. Complete the residency process. Then prepare properly for banking and payment gateways. Done correctly, UAE residency gives entrepreneurs access to a global business hub, strong infrastructure, and a tax-friendly environment. If this guide helped you understand how UAE business residency actually works in 2026, like the video, subscribe, and comment below if you want a full breakdown of the cheapest UAE free zones next.